Imagine replacing our sun with a star so enormous that its surface would swallow Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and still keep expanding, past the orbit where nothing should exist anymore. That star is real. It is called Scuti, and it sits roughly 9,500 light-years away in the constellation Scutum, pulsing like a slow, dying heartbeat. Here's the scale that should stop you cold. If you shrank the sun to the size of a golf ball, Scuti would be roughly the height of a 6-story building standing next to it. Light, which crosses the entire Earth in a fraction of a second, would take more than 7 hours just to travel once around Scuti's equator. But here's what is stranger. Size and mass are not the same thing. Despite being nearly 1,700 times wider than our sun, Scuti holds only about 7 to 10 solar masses. It is almost hollow by comparison, an enormous, bloated shell of plasma so thin in places that you could call it a controlled fog. The sun is actually denser, and yet it gets more extreme. Stephenson 218, discovered more recently and still being measured, may be even larger, potentially 2,150 times the sun's radius. If placed at the center of our solar system, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn entirely. Saturn, gone, swallowed. Here's the part no one expects. These monsters are suicidal. Hypergiants burn so violently, pouring out hundreds of thousands of times the sun's energy every single second, that their own radiation pressure is literally blowing them apart. They lose mass equivalent to the Earth's weight every few weeks. They are not built to last. A star like our sun burns for 10 billion years. These giants last perhaps 3 million, a cosmic eye blink. Which means right now, scattered across this galaxy, hypergiant stars are silently tearing themselves to pieces, and we may never see it happen in a human lifetime. The universe builds the most extraordinary things, then quietly lets them go.